Today we'll be demonstrating a short graduation cutting technique. Short graduation is used to remove length and create graduation at the back and the sides of the head. This is cut at 45 degrees. Before starting your cutting service, ensure all tools and equipment have been organised for ease of use and the hair and scalp effectively checked. Always correctly hold the scissors to ensure balance and palm following health and safety when not cutting the hair to avoid injury to the client and yourself. Once the client has been shampooed and correctly combed through, you can start cutting. Section the hair from a section on one side of the head to just below the crown and back round to the other recession area, creating a horseshoe section. Do this in steps to ensure the section is neat and clean. Ensure your section is balanced using the mirror. Take a vertical section approximately an inch in depth, depending on the density and texture of the client's hair, from the section below the crown to the nape at the centre. Comb this section at 45 degrees and cut from the top to the desired length using a club cutting technique. Work your way down to the nape area. This is your guide for the rest of the haircut. Take half your previous section and comb again at 45 degrees to the head shape and cut following your guide. Continue this technique to just behind the ear on both sides. horizontal sections and elevate at 45 degrees to cross-check your haircut at the back. This should replicate a round line. Ensure the client's hair is kept wet throughout the haircut, as this can affect the tension. To cut the sides, continue taking vertical sections approximately an inch in depth, using the last section behind the ear as a guide, and cut at 45 degrees. Continue this technique through to the front hairline. Begin on the other side using the same technique. Check balance by cross-checking the shape, taking horizontal sections, bringing it out at 45 degrees. This should also replicate a round line. Once you have completed the back and sides and cross-checked, you will move on to the top section. Take a centre profile section from the crown to the forehead. Elevate the section at 90 degrees from the head, following the head shape, using the longest part of the graduation at the back as your guide. This will now be the guideline for the front sections. Taking vertical sections approximately an inch in depth, elevate at 90 degrees from the head shape and use your centre profile as your guide. Continue this technique on both sides through to the front of the head. Once you have cut the top of the hair, take vertical sections from the crown to meet the longest part of the graduation and elevate at 90 degrees from the head shape. Check your balance using horizontal sections and elevating at 90 degrees. This should replicate a round line. Depending on the client's requirements, select your tools for styling. When using a flat brush to style a short graduation haircut, ensure the airflow is going down to smooth the cuticle. Once your client's hair has been dried, you can personalise your haircut using a scissor over comb technique. You will need to move your scissors fast and your comb slowly, working in a 45-degree angle so the hair is shorter at the hairline and longer, moving up towards the crown. You can also personalise your haircut using clipper over comb. This technique will taper the hairline at the nape. Starting at the nape, move your comb slowly upwards, running the clippers across the comb to reduce length. Depending on client requirements and hair type, choose your finishing product. Ensure the finishing product is evenly distributed through the hair. Then your final look is complete.